Is your Ford key fob unlock button not working? The most common cause is a failing microswitch inside the fob. Other culprits include a dirty circuit board, a weak battery, or a need for resyncing. First, try replacing the battery with a new one. If that doesn't work, attempt to resync the fob with your vehicle, following the procedure in your owner's manual or via the Ford Pass app. If problems persist, the microswitch is likely the issue, or the circuit board may need cleaning. DIY repairs are cost-effective, typically under $20 in parts, compared to professional repairs that can range from $100 to $300. Always start with the simplest solutions first. If resyncing doesn't solve the problem, you can attempt a DIY repair. Start by disassembling the key fob carefully. Inspect the circuit board for dirt, corrosion, or moisture. Clean the board with 99% isopropyl alcohol and a soft brush. If the microswitch appears damaged or unresponsive, replace it with a new one. To prevent future issues, regularly clean your key fob, replace the battery every 1 to 2 years, and avoid exposing it to water. This can extend the fob's life from 2 to 3 years to 5+ years. If DIY isn't your forte, consider visiting a dealership for a replacement, particularly if your vehicle is still under warranty or part of the 2024 recall.